All right, Eureka Treasure Train. What are we doing? Dynamite feature or wild bonus? I'm definitely thinking dynamite feature. I'm sure you guys are going to agree in the comments. Let's go. I hope it's a good dynamite feature, by the way. Not the best setup. Could have been better. 5 spins. Fill the board. Let's go. All right, we need a better setup than that. There we go. Come on, we know where we need to put them. One right there would be so nice. I don't know what that noise was when I hit the button, though. That was a good spot, too. One last spin. Let's put it right there, baby. Come on. I would have been so hype about that. All right, 5 cent denom. Let's hope we get a little something. Let's go. Come on, 15 more cards, guys. Keep them going. Keep them going. Not what we were hoping for. $26.95. Love you.